Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. So this one we put about like this. Next I will put this one go to the right. Next, we divide both sides by first derivative with the power 2. This one we have number 1. Next, we put the negative for the both sides. So negative will change the sign of this one. Next, we can put the integration for the both sides. So as you can see that this is about the quotient rule of the derivative. So if we do this integration, we will have about y over first derivative of y. This one we have negative s and I will put about c. Next, we need to swap this one and this one. So we will have like this. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of this one, we have negative Ln of the absolute value of negative s plus c. And in this situation, I will put about c number 1. That is about the constant number 1. And c number 2. That is about the constant number 2. This one we have Ln of the absolute value of y. Now we have the condition. So we put number 1 going here to find the value of c number 1 and c number 2. So Ln number 1 you got about number 0. And now we put c number 2 go to the right. And now we simplify the negative. Next, we put e for the both sides. Next, we have the formula in here. E to the power of Ln 8 equals to capital 8. So we simplify this one and we have like this. We know that this one they always provide a positive number. Now we can cancel the absolute value. And now we put negative number 1 go to the right. And now we just create the relationship between C number 1 and C number 2. Now we go back in here. So C1 we change by this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.